Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate distance in Google Maps. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see your options like search bar, your user icon, explore, go, saved, contribute, and updates. You have to go ahead and look for the location on the search bar, or simply go to bottom right corner and select the direction there where you can choose the starting point and your destination. Well, once you do that, on the bottom of your screen you can see three options: review, steps, and pinned. Well, right above there you can see there's a kilometer, which is distance. And guys, that's it, that's the distance. Or you can simply zoom in and see there are other routes as well. Go ahead, select that route. Then the distance will be changed there. It changed from 5.7 kilometers to 5.8 kilometers. Yes, and that's the only way you can choose the directions or calculate the distance there. And guys, that's it. That's how you calculate distance in Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.